Hello, I welcome you all back to our new YouTube video. I'm Dr. Shrutika. So, after a very long time, we are starting up again with our YouTube video series. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about day book or day diary. So, what is a day book? It is given to prover. Day book किसको दिया जाता है? Prover को दिया जाता है. It is given to prover in drug proving. Okay, and what is the prover supposed to do? The prover is supposed to write the symptoms experienced by him or her during the proving in chronological order. So what is a day book or day diary? It is a book given to the prover in drug proving, where the prover is supposed to write all the symptoms experienced by him or her during the proving in chronological order. The symptoms which are experienced both on physical plus mental level are supposed to be mentioned. So there are few guidelines which are being given by Dr. Hahnemann ki how the prover should write the day book or day diary. So now we will look into those guidelines. Hahnemann ने कुछ guidelines दिए हैं. So Dr. Hahnemann some guidelines suggested which the prover should record. So what are the guidelines? The number one guideline is each symptom in his or her own word. जो भी सिम्टम पेशेंट एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है वो उसको अपने खुद के वर्ड्स में लिखना है. नो मेडिकल और टेक्निकल टर्म इज टू बी यूज्ड. तो इसमें कोई टेक्निकल या मेडिकल टर्म यूज नहीं करना है. द नेक्स्ट थिंग द पेशेंट और द प्रूवर इज सपोज टू राइट द एग्जैक्ट time and dose of the drug substance that is taken. So जो भी drug substance लिया है वो कब लिया है, उसका एग्जैक्ट टाइम और कितने पोटेंसी में लिया है वो प्रूवर को मेंशन करना है. द मोड ऑफ लिविंग of the prover during the proving. कैसे उसका लाइफस्टाइल होना चाहिए वो. what diet and regimen the prover should follow during drug proving. The prover is supposed to mention all the altered sensations and functions. जो भी डिफरेंट सेंसेशंस पेशेंट या प्रूवर एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है, लेट दैट सेंसेशन बी ऑन मेंटल लेवल और फिजिकल लेवल. द प्रूवर इज सपोज टू मेंशन इट इनटू द डे डायरी. देन इज एग्जैक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ अपीयरेंस ऑफ सिम्टम्स. एग्जैक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ अपीयर मतलब जो सिम्टम जब आ रहा है उसका एग्जैक्ट ऑर्डर, क्रोनोलॉजी. दिस इज ऑर्डर इज नथिंग बट क्रोनोलॉजी शुड बी मेंटेन. द एग्जैक्ट टाइम ऑफ अपीयरेंस ऑफ सिम्टम. एग्जैक्ट टाइम पता होना चाहिए. एग्जैक्ट ड्यूरेशन मतलब कितने टाइम के लिए वो सिम्टम एक्सपीरियंस किया प्रूवर ने, उसका एग्जैक्ट ड्यूरेशन भी मेंशन करना है प्रूवर ने. उसके बाद what are the factors which excite the severity of symptoms, right? कौन सा फैक्टर है, whether any food taken or any change in the weather or any modality, any aggravating modality. What is this? Excite is nothing but aggravating modality. Likewise, अगर हम aggravating modality देख रहे हैं तो we also need to have the ameliorating modality. मतलब क्या? factors जिससे diminish, so factors which are diminishing the severity or symptoms or ameliorating, ये भी prover ने mention करना है. And most importantly, the prominent and characteristic symptoms the patient should underline it so that it gets highlighted. So what we saw in this video, we understood about day book or day diary. It is the book which is given to the prover in drug proving, wherein the patient is supposed to write all, wherein the prover is supposed to mention all the symptoms in chronological order, all the symptoms that are felt by the patient or experienced by the patient both on physical and mental level. What is the guideline given by Dr. Hahnemann to the prover in recording the symptoms? That is, the prover should write all the symptoms in his or own word. No medical and technical word or any technical term is to be used. Exact time and dose of the drug substance that has been taken mention करना है. Mode of living during drug proving, prover का कैसे है. Diet and regimen, all the altered sensations and functions mention करना है. Exact order of appearance मतलब chronology हो गया. The exact time and duration, the aggravating and ameliorating modalities, and the prominent characteristic symptoms are to be underlined. So I hope you find this video useful. So do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep sharing, and have a nice day. Thank you.